It's just even with
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, to get the attention for dignity bombers, you do need to go to the safety features of Boeing 737-700 series aircraft. To properly fasten your seatbelt, slide the side and into the buckle to release the zip of the buckle, and you will release. As always, seatbelt should be worn tight, longer seated, and remain fastened at all times while seated. The aircraft is equipped with 6 emergency exit doors, and forward exit doors, 2 overwing window exits, and 2 rear exit doors. The location of each is clearly marked with signs of a headlights on the floor of the aisle will lead you to each exit. A safety information card can be found in the back pocket. Please take note on the inside of the card. In the event that there is a water evacuation, there's a life vest located under each and every seat. Please remove the vest, however, only if told to do so. Once you remove it from the hard plastic container and its pouch, place the vest over your head, wrap the black strap around your waist, buckle it in the front, and pull to tighten. Once you're outside the aircraft, inflate your vest by pulling down on the red tab. To manually inflate it, simply pull into the tube located at your shoulder. The seat bottom cushions can still be used as flotation devices as well. Flight attendants coming by at this time to make sure all seat belts are securely fastened. All seat backs and tray tables are all in their full, upright, and locked position, and all of your carry-on items are all the way in your seats, leaving the area around your feet completely clear. As a reminder, this is a non-smoking flight, and smoking is never allowed in